Hello there, everyone, and welcome back to the Google Bard for Digital Marketers Masterclass 50 Prompts to Satisfy Your Life and Make It Easier. Now, in this tutorial, we're going to be learning together how Google Bard can make your life very easy when it comes to content creation. And not just any content creation, actually creating highly SEO optimized blog posts. For example, this is a topic that we don't know anything about, duck sauce. Now, to be completely honest with you, I have no clue about duck sauce or duck anything. But here, this is a blog about duck sauce. Now, in the past, here's what you gotta do in order to write a blog. You either had to go and write it yourself, which in most cases would take you a long time to do, especially if you were aiming to write a SEO optimized blog post, or you had to go and hire someone from platforms like Fiverr. And I don't need to begin to tell you how much that will cost you. So for example, if you're looking for a food blogger, you'd have to come over here, food blog, and you'd have to type that in. And you would have to go and find someone who specializes in this niche. And they would charge you extravagant amounts. Like for example here, this lady, she's Fiverr's choice, so obviously she's a top rated seller. And if we go inside here, you will find that she charges $50. Yes, $50 for 500 words worth of blog, okay? And that's just for the basic plan. There is the standard plan and the premium plan, and people are buying this, okay? And she's not just selling this stuff, right? So obviously she's a copywriting specialist, so she's selling, I think, in more niches than this, okay? But I think here, according to what I can see, she specializes in the food blogging niche. But that goes to say, that was not really an easy process. Nowadays, you can go to Google Bard. I was about to say ChatGPT because I'm addicted to ChatGPT. But here's what I'm going to say. So first thing is first, you have to know what you want to write about. Let's say, for example, that you want to write about the top 5 best Italian pizzas. Okay, you come over here and you can use your microphone or you can write the prompt textually. I prefer to talk to it. And if you want more precision, write, okay? If you want more precision. In this case, I'm going to use the mic, so indulge me. I want you to write a highly SEO optimized blog post about the following. Blog titled Top 5 Best Pizzas in Italy in 2023. And I also want you to give me the location of every one of the restaurants that you're going to mention in your blog. I want the blog to be extensive and to be very rich in information and in keywords and to be trendy because I want to rank on Google search for this particular keyword, top 5 best pizzas in Italy in 2023. Okay, so now I hit enter and I can just wait and it will go ahead and write for me an entirely optimized SEO blog post. So here we have our blog, right? You can see top 5 best pizzas in Italy. Italy is known for its delicious food and pizza is no exception. Here are the top 5 best pizzas in Italy in 2023. L'Antica Pizzeria di Micheli, I hope I pronounced that right. I'm not from Italy, excuse me. Pizzeria Gino Sorbillo, or I think that's how I should pronounce it. But you can see over here that it has basically written an SEO optimized blog post. Now, this blog post will at least have about 500 words. And you saw how much people are charging for that, how much freelancers are charging for that. And you can do this for every single particular topic that you want. And the good thing is that you can use a combination of ChatGPT and Google Bard. Now, for example, let's say you want to take this paragraph over here and you want to elaborate more on it. You can say, take the following paragraph and elaborate more on it. Okay? And it's going to go and it's going to elaborate more. And you can see over here that this is also something you can add to your blog to make it bigger, if in case you want to make it bigger. Now, I'm not sure whether it is equipped with the knowledge to do so, but I'm going to ask it this question before we move on to the next lecture. can you add links in text that you provide me with? If so, tell me. Okay, so I'm asking it the question, can it add internal links? Because I'm pretty sure that it can do that in the future. All right, yes, I can add links in tests that I provide you. That's pretty good. And you know why that's pretty good? It's because of such a thing called internal linking. It's basically on-page SEO. For those of you who want to go and learn about SEO, there is such a thing as on-page SEO. And here there's this blog about SEMrush that explains all of that. You can go there. And the thing is about on-page SEO is that you have to make sure that your blog post contains links. And in those links, there is internal links, there's backlinks, and there's external links. Internal links are links that you use to link from a page on your website to another page on your website. Because for example, let's say you have a blog that talks about pizza, and then you have another blog that is also talking about pizza. You can internally link between these blogs. And this is something that Google likes, because Google likes internal linking, because that tells of a solid website, a solid brand, not a spammy website. And also there's external links, which means linking out to external resources, like for example, Wikipedia, YouTube, or for example, this website right here, or to any website of your own wishing. Of course, those websites that you link out to have to be relevant to the topic that you're discussing. And they also have to be very, very relevant and powerful websites, because when you link out to a resource, it's almost like saying to Google, I am voting for this website. I recognize this website as an authority in this subject. I trust this website. And so by doing that, you kind of almost affiliate yourself, and you kind of almost vote indirectly for the website you're linking out to. Then there's a whole other topic, which is the topic of backlinks, which we're not going to dive deep into here, though we could, because the reason why I didn't want to talk about backlinks in this course, because that's SEO, right? And it takes time to discuss that. We cannot do it in 2 or 3 minutes or even 20 minutes. And without further ado, this lecture has come to an end. See you in the next lecture, where we're going to actually go ahead and do the following. And I'm going to teach you how you can use Google Bard to learn about all the copywriting frameworks, and most importantly, how to use Google Bard to write in any copywriting framework of your choice. See you next. Stay tuned.